All right, we're going to start Unit 1 over coordinate geometry, and there's a lot of transformations. So we'll start going over some basic stuff like coordinate notation, midpoint and distance formulas, and we'll get through all of the transformations that are intended for this unit. Okay? And so I'm going to hide this calculator over here. I don't think we need it for this time. And so on the left-hand page, you should see this. On the right-hand page, you should see instructions, and I'll flip back and forth between these two. So this says, our Peter the pirate has forgotten where he's sunken his treasure. A, he's also Canadian. X marks the spot, his starting position. Help him retrace his steps to find his booty, matey. So at the start of his journey, Peter starts at 1, 1, which is where that green X is. He's going to travel to his house, going X plus 5, Y minus 1. So X here, remember, is going left and right. And then the Y here goes up and down. And so descriptively, the plus 5 here means that he's going to the right 5. And then descriptively, Y minus 1 means that he's going down 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this X value here. We're going to add 5 to it. Take this Y value here, subtract 1 from it. And this is where the coordinates for his house is. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 6 comma 0 is going to be where his house is, which is right here. We'll mark it with an H. So this is where we're at now. Okay, Peter, he goes to the store. So XY becomes YX. Well, what's changed? The order. The order has changed for the coordinates. And so XY becomes YX means that we're going to swap it. So if the original coordinate were 0, 6, 0, the new one for the store, let me move this out the way, becomes 0, 6, right? This is the original X, this is the original Y. And so the new X value is the 0. The new Y value is this X. And so 0, 6. So this here, let's just label them as the store. Pearson remembers the treasure isn't in quadrant 3. So we have 4 quadrants. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. And it goes counterclockwise, so it goes against the order of the clock. And one more thing, this means if it's not in quadrant 3, it's not this point, nor is it that one. Okay. Polly, his pet, suddenly flies off, and Peter gives chase. So now from the store, we're going to go from X to X minus 8, and then 1.5Y. Okay, maybe I do need the calculator. Actually, no, I don't. That's 9. So here we have 0, 6. That becomes 0 minus 8 and 1.5 times 6. And so this is going to be negative 8, 9. And so this is where Polly is at. Where are they? Negative 8, 9. So here's where Polly is at. Apparently, the treasure is not there. One more possible, only one more place left to check in quadrant 2. Write a formula that will direct Peter to this remaining location. So we're looking at quadrant 2. And so we're looking at this location right here. Well, how can I get from Polly to this location? Well, I can just follow the grid, right? I can go down a certain number of steps. I can go to the right a certain number of steps too. So how many steps do we go down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we went down 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right. So let me write this here. We went down 8. and then right 4. So our original x comma y going down 8 is a y coordinate minus 8. Going to the right 4 is going to be x plus 4. And so this is our formula right there. Nope, didn't work out. So now that where are we? We're at negative 4? Yeah, comma 1. And we're going to do this transformation right here. This is negative 4 plus 4 comma y. So negative x, right? X is already negative 4, so negative x is the positive version, aka we're going to have to flip a sign. And so this is going to be 8. And so just so you're not... No! Just so we're clear, this is negative 4 plus another 4. You see that comes out to be 8. We don't do anything to the y coordinate, so it's just 8 comma 1. So 8 comma 1 is this point right here. It's not that one. Okay, let's check that. So we have 8 comma 1. We're going to substitute this. This is 1/2 times 8 comma 4 times 1. And so this comes out 1/2 times 8 is 4. 4 times 1 is also 4. And so this is not it. Not the house, not the store. And so only 2 points left. Alas, it's actually at xy, 2x plus 1, 1 minus 2y, okay? So this is 4 comma 4. We're going to plug in 2x plus 1. So this is 2 times 4 plus 1, comma 1 minus 2 times 4. And so this gives us an x coordinate of 9, 2 times 4 plus 1. And then a y coordinate of negative 7. See? And so 9, negative 7 is right here. This is where our booty is mateys. Even with the money in hand, all this running around has him tired. Peter just wants some shut-eye. Write a formula that will guide Peter back home. So home here is there. And so we can move like this. We can go one, well, we can form a triangle like this. And so this is 1, 2, 3 left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. And so this is xy becomes going left 3 means that we're going to subtract 3 from the x coordinate. Going 7 up means we're going to add 7 to the y coordinate. And we are done. We've helped Peter find his moolah, and we've gotten back home as well. So, we're done.